What is up guys, a warm welcome to this new channel and welcome to the very first video of this channel. Well, it was a long awaited video and should have been done earlier, but better late than never. So here we go, 8 pointers that has helped me a lot to transition my career into the field of data visualization and Tableau. First, knowledge and skill base. Well, the very first thing obviously whenever you're trying to jump into a new career is to acquire the required knowledge and required skill sets. So in my case it was obviously Tableau, SQL, maybe Python and advanced Excel. And you can easily get those skills from maybe YouTube playlists, maybe Udemy or any Coursera, EDX. There are a lot of platforms out there, but in my case, since it was a different case, I was already working and I need a little bit of security during this transition phase. I went for this job guaranteed bootcamp program from one of those companies out there. What I got in return was not really a job because I took things on my own hands and started looking for jobs by my own. But the most important takeaway from that bootcamp was this continuous practice of the skills like SQL, Excel and Power BI, and the kind of mentorship that I got. Those things really helped me to be in the set of the frame of mind where I was able to be competitive and be the best version of myself. Second, projects. I would emphasize by saying personal projects because in my case I didn't really have a very heavy experience of data analysis or visualization professional experience, but I really had to compensate for that, and how I did it was through making personal projects. Well, personal projects are the best way to showcase your skills, showcase the recruiters and people who are out looking to hire you, to show them that yes, you are good enough, not only with your knowledge base and skills but also with your creativity, and you can actually put your skills into real work and you can get things done. When it comes to personal projects, again, you might be thinking which are the things that you can do, which are the kind of projects or portals that you can get some help from. In that case, there are a lot of portals and platforms. Specifically, if I talk about my field, you have Makeover Mondays. It's kind of a weekly challenge that you get, weekly visualization challenge. You have Workout Wednesdays. You have Maven Analytics. Well, Maven Analytics challenges to me a lot. So one of those FIFA challenges that you guys have already seen. So that particular dashboard has helped me a lot. I can't even put that into words. Danima SQL challenge is one of those, so I'll put all those things in the description, or maybe you can see a few of them here and there in the screen. So these kind of things really help you and get you going during this phase and prepare you a lot to face the interviewer when it comes to the actual interviewing rounds. Third, resume. Well, of course, to get a job you have to have a very strong and good resume. Well, strong resume doesn't always mean that you have to put a lot of experience and stuff. Obviously my resume didn't have a very heavy visualization experiences. First and foremost thing is get a good template. Don't go blindly for those default Word templates or very basic and boring templates. Try something new. Go out there for go check out Canva. You have some very good templates in Canva. You can actually showcase your creativity along with the knowledge and skills that you have in that field. Apart from that, you can look for any other online tool, but personally I have gone through, I have made my own CV through Canva. So it was really helpful for me, but you can obviously go for any online template or tool that can also maybe help you out there. Make a very attractive CV. Don't put anything and everything in the CV. You can make a whole video out of how to make a CV a good CV. Just make sure put relevant things and things which are true. Keywords. Look for keywords. Fourth, portfolio. As important as CVs and resumes are, but nowadays things are transitioning. Instead of going for a one-pager CV, recruiters are looking for people who are creative enough to make portfolios, because portfolios are one-stop platform that tells everything about you, right from your technical skills, your soft skills, your creativity. Everything can be shown through portfolios. And when it comes to my own journey, Tableau Public was the one that has helped me a lot, because Tableau provides this platform that whenever you are working on Tableau Public version, you can upload your dashboards to Tableau Public public account, and you can share your account over all around, and people can have a look, and they can they can actually see all the visualization that you have on a one platform. For Power BI, you have Novi Pro. Even though I haven't really used Novi Pro ever, but I have heard and I've seen a lot of people using it, and it's one of those platforms, really helps a lot. Lately, Maven Analytics has also started a very good platform for showcasing portfolios. So in Maven Analytics platform, you can embed your Tableau, you can embed your Power BI dashboards, anything and everything that you have in visualization space, you can embed in that. And apart from that, Card platform is something that has helped me personally a lot. So Card is basically like it's kind of a website, a very lightweighted website, where I tried to be creative by putting all my skills and it's some kind of this projects that I have worked on. Let's say if I have put Power BI, then I have added a Power BI project. If I have worked on Tableau, I have added Tableau and Tableau projects. So all those things I have showcased well. Fifth, LinkedIn helps you with connections, it helps you in job applications, it helps you in learning, it helps you in networking, it helps you a lot ways. All the benefits of it gives you a lot of good benefits. It's like you get this in-mails are something which helps you a lot to communicate with people. If you haven't connected with that people, if you're not really a connection of that particular recruiter, you can just send them in-mails. You get, I guess, 5 in-mails per month, and you can directly send that message to that particular recruiter person that you want to talk to without even connecting with that person. Second thing, a lot of insights and analytics that you get, which you comparatively you don't get when you have a normal LinkedIn account. So things like whether you fall in the top 10 or top 25 applicants. So this kind of insights helps you a lot when it comes to this phase of job search. But LinkedIn Premium is something that you will have to pay, so if you can afford it, go for it, because it is indeed worth it. Along with LinkedIn Premium, I would say one of the things that I have added was Jobalytics was a Chrome extension. I can upload my resume or CV on Jobalytics on the basis of whatever job posting that I have. What Jobalytics will do is it will compare the job description and extract those keywords, and it will compare your CV and extract those keywords, and it will see how much is the matching percentage and which keywords are missing in your CV, which keywords are matching, and it will give you a percentage of matching. That again helps a lot. That gives you a hint whether you're a perfect match or not. You have to tweak your resume a little bit here and there to make it a perfect match, because in the end of the day, the whole purpose of applying and the first round is beating that ATS if it is done through ATS. Networking again is very important. The job that I am in, I've purely got it through networking. Somehow I got connected to the right person at the right time. We have spoken the right words and things fell into place. Networking doesn't really mean that you just send people random requests on LinkedIn or maybe any other social media profile and just leave them in your list. No, that's not how it works. How networking really works is when you are connecting with people. What I have personally done is when I connected with people, I would send the moment they would accept my request, I would send a small intro like, hello so and so, nice to connect with you and hopefully you're doing well, and I'm looking forward to learn more from you, and that's it. A very small intro kind of a message. What it used to happen was, the kind of impact that small message will do is the other person will reply me back with a few pleasantries, and then maybe a few days later, if I see a job posting in the same company of that person, I can be shameless and go ask for referrals, because what it does is, because of that first conversation that I have had, the pleasantries that we have shared, this message of referral won't be the first message that I'll be sending that person. So you can maybe, like, whenever you're seeing a job out there in LinkedIn or maybe in any careers portal, go to that person and you'll be like, hey, I'm looking for this, I'm really excited for this job and looking to get into this job, and if you are open to refer me, can you please refer me or whatever. So what will happen is that person will think like, okay, I've spoken to this guy, I know this guy or girl, and so let's go and help him out, help her out. Soft skills, data visualization field or data analysis field are those kind of jobs where you are, you're closer to clients. It is more of client facing job, as compared, I wouldn't say it's completely client facing job, but more of client facing job as compared to any other IT job or development job or any such roles. So your soft skills matter a lot. Your communication skill, your presentation skill, these two things you really need to hone and you really need to work hard on. And the best way that worked for me was, I would say, YouTube. I used to create a lot of videos. A few of them I would post, a few of them I wouldn't. So I'll just start the camera, start speaking in front of the camera, or maybe start speaking on in front of the mirror, and it would really help me in the end of the day to hone my communication skill. Eighth, the most important one is apply. What we usually do is we would work hard on the rest 7 pointers, and somehow we'll end up losing our confidence and maybe the resilience and perseverance that is required in the 8th part. That in the end of the day is again the most important thing, because after doing all the 7 things, if you're not applying to jobs, then it's not really gonna work for you. Apply to a lot of jobs, because you know how the rate of acceptance is, how difficult it is to beat the ATS, and how things are, especially in a country like India, where even for for one particular job you will have thousands and thousands of applications. Don't be a miser in applications, in applying. I usually tell people that go out there and apply for, let's say, 10 jobs per day. Apply aggressively, be active in applications and job applications. Make your resumes, tweak your resumes on the basis of the job descriptions. Be shameless and ask for referrals, and have that perseverance and resilience in you. It is the extremely difficult phase because you get a lot of rejection, and just keep reminding yourself the day you chose to get into this field, what were your thoughts. And don't lie to that person you were when you started your journey of career transitioning. Don't lie to that person at all. You're good enough to get a very good job in this field, and keep applying, keep trying. Career transitioning isn't a very happy phase or a very easy phase in life whenever it comes. Make sure that you enjoy this phase. Make sure that you turn it into a learning phase, or else things will become very, very, very difficult mentally and physically as well. So with that said, I hope you like this video. I hope all these 8 pointers help you a lot in your career transitioning. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, do share, do subscribe to this channel. This channel needs to grow. And happy whizzing. Bye bye.